Feel 20 years younger. 5 daily habits for strength and energy after 60. Are you over 60 and feeling like your strength and energy have slowly slipped away? You're not alone, but here's the good news. With just a few powerful habits, you can turn things around. Whether it's walking without fatigue, climbing stairs with confidence, or simply waking up feeling refreshed, these aren't dreams, they're goals you can absolutely reach. In today's video, we're diving into 5 proven habits that help you reclaim your energy, rebuild muscle strength, and feel like yourself again, maybe even better than before. This is Fit Fusion, and we're here to help you live strong, age smart, and feel fantastic, starting today. Number 1. Start your day with a protein-powered breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially after 60. Your muscles need protein to rebuild and stay strong, and your brain needs sustained energy to stay sharp. Yet many seniors skip breakfast or opt for toast, cereal, or tea, foods that give a quick sugar spike but leave you drained soon after. What your body really needs is a balanced, protein-rich breakfast within 1 hour of waking. This jumpstarts muscle repair, stabilizes blood sugar, and gives you the fuel to stay active all morning. Try options like eggs with sautéed veggies, Greek yogurt with seeds and berries, or a plant-based protein smoothie with spinach, nut butter, and oats. If you're lactose intolerant or avoiding dairy, go for almond, soy, or pea protein powders. Add chia or flax seeds for omega-3s and fiber. Don't skip healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil, as they help you absorb nutrients and feel full longer. Many of our Fit Fusion community members say this one shift, eating a real breakfast, helped them feel more awake, more focused, and even reduce their afternoon naps. It's a habit worth building, and it only takes 15 minutes a day. Number 2. Practice gentle strength training 3 times a week. After age 60, you naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. But that doesn't mean you're destined to feel weak. In fact, the human body is remarkably capable of rebuilding muscle, even in your 70s and 80s, with the right movement. The secret is gentle strength training. You don't need heavy weights or gym memberships. Just your body weight, resistance bands, or light dumbbells are enough. Exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, resistance band rows, or standing leg lifts can make a dramatic difference. Start with 2 or 3 days a week. Do 10 to 15 minutes at first, maybe while watching TV or listening to music. Focus on large muscle groups like legs, back, and core. You'll notice better balance, fewer aches, and more energy when walking or standing. And here's the best part. Muscle is metabolically active. That means the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. This helps prevent weight gain and supports blood sugar control. Our friend Harold, a 68-year-old Fit Fusion member, started using a resistance band 3 times a week. After just 2 months, he was back to gardening, lifting bags of soil, and chasing after his grandkids. Don't underestimate what 15 minutes of strength work can do for your life. Number 3. Drink enough water, but do it the smart way. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of fatigue, dizziness, and joint pain in older adults. As we age, our sense of thirst becomes less reliable, so even if you don't feel thirsty, you may still be running low on fluids. But here's the key. It's not just about drinking more water, it's about drinking it consistently and wisely throughout the day. Start your morning with a glass of warm water. This helps activate digestion and flush out toxins. Then aim for 6 to 8 glasses across the day, spaced out to avoid overwhelming your kidneys. Add a pinch of sea salt or a slice of cucumber or lemon for natural electrolytes. Herbal teas and broths also count toward your hydration. But limit caffeine and sugary drinks. They dehydrate and can spike blood sugar. Proper hydration helps your muscles contract more efficiently, supports joint lubrication, and improves circulation, so oxygen and nutrients reach your tissues more effectively. One 72-year-old Fit Fusion viewer told us her afternoon crashes disappeared once she began sipping herbal tea every hour. Her digestion improved, her skin glowed, and she started walking longer without tiring. Water may seem simple, but when used correctly, it becomes a daily tool for healing, energy, and strength. Number 4. Embrace restorative sleep like a ritual. Energy doesn't just come from food or exercise, it starts with quality sleep. But many older adults struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up refreshed. That's why creating a restorative sleep ritual is essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and go to bed at the same time each night, even on weekends. Your body loves consistency. Create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Try chamomile tea or magnesium-rich foods like bananas, almonds, or warm oats. Turn off screens and opt for a relaxing book, soft music, or meditation. If you wake often at night, check your evening habits. Avoid large meals or caffeine after 4 p.m. Keep your room cool and dark. Consider blackout curtains or a white noise machine. Good sleep supports hormone balance, immune strength, memory, and muscle recovery. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. One of our Fit Fusion viewers, 66-year-old Marta, started a sleep wind-down routine and swapped TV for 20 minutes of stretching and journaling. Within 2 weeks, her energy soared, and her morning aches started fading. Sleep is your body's built-in repair system. Treat it like sacred time. Number 5. Feed your mind with purposeful activity. Your energy isn't only physical, it's also mental and emotional. One of the most powerful habits for vitality after 60 is engaging in purposeful, mentally stimulating activity. This could mean volunteering, learning a new skill, joining a walking club, or gardening. It could be puzzles, painting, or simply teaching your grandkids how to bake your favorite recipe. When you challenge your brain and stay connected to a purpose, your body responds. You feel less sluggish, more alert, and more motivated to take care of yourself. Mental stimulation boosts dopamine and serotonin, your brain's feel-good chemicals. These help you stay positive, reduce stress, and even sleep better. Mr. Lem, a 76-year-old retired math teacher in our community, began teaching basic arithmetic to local kids twice a week. He says it's the best thing he's done for his energy. It gets me out of bed with excitement, he told us. And I don't feel old when I'm doing something that matters. Remember, you're not just here to survive, you're here to thrive. Find what lights you up and lean into it. You have the power to feel strong, energetic, and alive again, at any age. Start with these 5 habits. Nourish your body with real food, move your muscles gently, hydrate wisely, rest deeply, and feed your spirit with purpose. Which of these will you start today? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your stories. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to Fit Fusion for more science-backed, soul-fueled tips to help you age with strength and grace. Until next time, stay strong, stay inspired, and keep moving forward.